Today I am cooking hamburgers with lettuce wraps for a healthy meal. So I'm adding tomatoes, avocado, organic ground beef, onions, tomatoes inside the burgers with cilantro. And we're gonna make it a little bit on the Mexicana side. All right, so here we go. So I took the cilantro and the onions and I chopped it up very fine. Okay. Then you want to put the meat inside here as so. Then I have a egg so I can keep the meat together so it won't fall apart while I'm cooking it. And this is Conquer Great Menschwitz. Kind of like wine, Jewish wine. Don't mind if I have me a glass of this good, loving, delicious wine. And what I normally do for the meat, I just pour a little bit of wine up in that bad boy. Just a little bit, just to give it some flavor. Some of that good old flavor. Okay? So once you combine all your onions, tomatoes, and everything together, and egg, you mix it together so it can lock. All right. Now for my seasons, to mix in with the meats, I use lemon pepper, black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and I use some shredded cheddar. And once you have your cheese in there, your season, you just start mixing it up. Okay? Start mixing it up. And then, let's see what happens. Looks good. All right. So we're gonna see what this turns out. It's sizzling. All right, so look at my first meat. Look at that. Looks delicious. See? We're crispy on top, but delicious inside. Just like that, folks. Okay. How Miss Beautiful Lady doing? Hey there, how you doing, girlfriend?
Good.
Ah, what's she doing over here?
Working.
What's she drinking up in there?
Salud.
All right. And there you have it, folks. A lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, drizzling in a delicious bun with cheese at the bottom. Juice ready to be bitten. And there you have it. Lettuce wrap hamburgers, homemade. Burke's edition. I'll do the first bite.
Okay.
How do it taste, babe? Tell me. No. How do it taste?
So good. Oh my God. Delicious. Yeah.
There you have it.
You want jalapeno?
And we out.